map in hand, docked for the day in a tropical land. Had big plans and zero fear, just one rule, be back at the pier. Hit the beach with a fruity drink, got a massage that made us not think. Ate street food, swam with stingrays, then lost track of time for several days.
Okay, just one.
Now we're running through the sand like it's Judgment Day. Sunscreen melting in a panic ballet. Slap through shops in a soggy dash, knocking over keychains and a mango stash. Flip-flops gone, sunburn bright, chasing that ship with all our might. But here's one truth you can't debate, no matter how fast you run, the ship don't wait. Tried to bribe a guy with the paddle board, he just laughed and said you're kinda ignored. Slipped on rum cake, dropped a toe, still had seaweed stuck in the throat. One hand clutching a half-price drum, other waving like, wait, we come! Crew on deck gave a pity wave, then the horn blew like y'all should behave. Now we're stranded with a fanny pack dream, watching our floating buffet downstream. No more trivia nights, no chocolate mousse, just regret and a wild-eyed pelican loose. T-shirts say I this place, but all we want is our ocean view space. Lesson learned is cruel but straight, you miss the time, the ship don't wait. Passport's gone, wallet's wet, someone's crying, we're not sure yet. The moral here is simple, mate, if you're off the ship, don't tempt fate. So check your watch, set 3 alarms, skip the extra round of coconut charms. Say no to just one more market stall, or you'll be starring in your own downfall. Now we're legends in the port town lore, the ones who ran but missed the door. Take it from us, don't show up late, because vacations end when the ship won't wait.
I was sipping a smoothie, smooth with a chicken kebab. Then I checked my watch, oh dearie bye. It said 3:59 and I dropped my hat. Screamed running and I bolted like a cruise ship cat. I zigged past a grandma buying shell art, zagged through a dance crew doing their part. I hurdled a toddler, I dove past a mule. I looked like a sweaty back to ship fueled fool. 1 minute to sail, I'm flying like the breeze, barreling past souvenir shops and cheese. Flip-flops slapping, my heart's gonna pop, but I ain't gonna be the star of TikTok. The horn is blowing, the gangway's high. If I miss this boat, I might just cry. So I sprint like lightning, I don't exhale, cause I got 1 minute to sail. A vendor yelled, buy this cool flamingo cup. I said, I would bro, but time is up. Security's waving, the clock hits 4. I lunge like a dolphin through the closing door. A lady drops churros, my foot hits the grease. I slide on the pier like a human trapeze. The crowd goes wild, some tourists cheer. I belly flop, land right on the pier.
Get more than this, sure.
My lungs are burning, my legs are jello, but I ain't staying here with this lizardy fellow. The captain sees me, he's tapping his watch, but I give him a thumbs up, like sir, I'm top notch. 1 minute to sail, and I made it, y'all, right as they started to raise that wall. The crowd was clapping, my face was red. I tripped on my lanyard, but I ain't dead. Now I'm safe back aboard, wearing towel like a crown, feasting on soft serve, wearing my crown upside down, upside down. So here's a tip, set a watch and bail. Don't play chicken with a cruise ship sail, cause you only get 1 minute to sail.
dude, let's ride the tide. Sun and sea, adventure worldwide. Join the fun, come take a trip. Like and subscribe, don't miss the ship. Cruise dude, your adventure starts now. Cruise dude, come I'll show you how. Cruise dude, let's board the ship. Cruise dude, let's start our trip. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Let's go, cruise dude. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Let's go. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh. Cruise dude, let's go. Let's go. Cruise dude, let's go. Cruise dude, oh.